Good morning. My name is Otto Lee. I'm honored to be serving as your county supervisor in District 3 of Santa Clara County. First of all, I would want to thank my fellow supervisors Susan Ellenberg and also Supervisor Joe Simidian, who is here with me today. And I'm honored to say that I'm following the footsteps of the very first Asian American serving on the county supervisor is right here, Mike Honda. And I'm also proud to say that I'm here, but I'm not proud to say that I'm here again, because 2.5 years ago, I was right here, standing next to Susan Ellenberg, for a different hate crime. This is a hate crime that happened in Pittsburgh, across from where she lived when she grew up. When the hate crime of somebody showing up with a gun into a synagogue and gun down 10 people and injuring many. This is serious. Hate crime is not a matter of freedom of speech. Spitting at people, calling names, coughing at people, just a slap on the face or just a tug, these are hate crimes. And I want to first of all thank our police chiefs who are here today. I want to thank Jay Borowski representing our district attorney's office for all the good work they're doing, because they are taking this seriously. We're supposed to be model minority, right? We're supposed to be quiet and silent and study well in school, right? Wrong. We will never, ever tolerate, allow, or ever be silenced.
Yeah, Asian Americans will never be silenced.
And remember, crime against Asian Americans is not just against Asians. Crimes against Asian Americans is against the Latinx Americans, the Black Americans, against the Jewish Americans, but Muslim Americans, against all of us, because hate against one is hate against all. And I'm very, very proud that all my brothers and sisters from the Black community, my Latinx community, the Jewish community, the Muslim community, and all of you being here today, standing together to give the message very clear. Hate and violence is not tolerated in Santa Clara County, not in California, not in America, and not ever. Thank you for being here today.